our Rebound Colorado coverage, we continue to work to provide ideas and resources for managing the mental health challenges of this pandemic. News 5's Patrick Nelson shows us how pet ownership is helping many people with anxiety and the stress that we've been facing this year.
They've been called man's best friend, a companion to help us through the daily challenges that we face. People who work with these animals every day say dogs are playing an important role when it comes to our mental health.
One day we were talking about phone calls we were receiving from seniors and them talking about how isolated they were and how lonely they were feeling. And so we talked about the possibility of having a therapy dog.
The Fountain Valley Senior Center has a new puppy. His name is Emmett.
Once he turns 1 year old, then we'll be able to actually have him certified as a therapy dog. We're just really hoping that for those seniors who come back, who may have lost friends through this whole process, who have been so isolated, don't have family around, that Emmett will be able to notice that, will be able to recognize those things in folks, and just be able to go up to them and just be a friend.
LEAH DOLAN-KELLEY says with the challenges of this year, her family needed a friend too.
You were stuck in the house with nothing else to do except for work and social media.
They brought Willow home from the Humane Society of the Pikes Peak region and immediately noticed a difference.
Our responsibility is to make her into a good dog citizen. So it takes that mental exhaustion off of you and refocuses it into something really good and positive.
DOLAN-KELLEY says she learned firsthand how pets have become a source of comfort during this challenging year.
I'm at home now working on the computer and I see her sleeping at my feet and my heart just melts, and then I get to bend down and just pet her, and it's just so sweet and it takes a little stress off of me.
Local animal shelters say this dog's story is an example of the good things that they're seeing.
It's kind of a good time to be a shelter dog because they're not even here long before they're out the door and into a brand new family. On 4 different days at both of our campuses, we did adopt out all of the available dogs and cats.
Fortunately, a majority of these adopted animals have not returned to the shelter.
I think it has been a comfort for people if they are stuck at home, maybe not seeing their friends and family as much, to have that new pet to care for, to meet their needs, and really, again, give them that distraction, that little bit of extra love in their lives.
Do you or your family want to bring home a dog right now? Pet experts say there's a lot that we should consider before we leap into pet ownership. But you can head to our website, koaa.com, where you can find resources and the experts that can guide you through it. Always watching out for you. Patrick Nelson, News 5.